Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance without card. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Binance app and make sure you are logged into your account using your username and password. Once you are at the home screen, tap the trade at the bottom, then select P2P. This section let you buy crypto direct from other users. Inside the P2P section, tap on buy, then choose USDT. Now filter the payment method and look for the seller who accepts Payoneer. After that, choose the highest rating and many completed trades. Tap buy, enter the amount and place your order. After that, open the Payoneer app and tap on payment and send the money to the seller. Pin your details to the Binance order. After that, go back to the Binance and tap on the mark as paid or buy USDT. After selling or seller confirms, the USDT will appear in your Binance wallet. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.